Comparing similar text strings in Excel. I am currently trying to reconcile name fields from two separate data sources. I have a number of names that are not an exact match, but are close enough to be considered matched, examples below. Do you have any ideas of how I can improve the number of automated matches? I am already eliminating middle initials from the match criteria. Current match formula.
You might consider using the Microsoft Fuzzy Lookup add-in from MS Site. Overview: the Fuzzy Lookup add-in for Excel was developed by Microsoft Research and performs fuzzy matching of textual data in Microsoft Excel. It can be used to identify fuzzy duplicate rows within a single table or to fuzzy join similar rows between two different tables. The matching is robust to a wide variety of errors, including spelling mistakes, abbreviations, synonyms, and added /missing data. For instance, it might detect that the rows of Mr. Andrew Hill, Andrew R, and a Andy Hill all refer to the same underlying entity, returning a similarity score along with each match. While the default configuration works well for a wide variety of textual data, such as product names or customer addresses, the matching may also be customized for specific domains or languages.
I would look into using this list, English section only, to help weed out the common shortenings. Addition, you might want to consider using a function that will tell you, in exact terms, how close two strings are. The following quote came from here and thanks to Smirking Man. What this will do is tell you how many insertions and deletions one must do to one string to get to the other. I would try to keep this number low, and last names should be exact.
You can use the similarity function per similarity to compare the strings and get a percentage match of the two. You can make it case sensitive or not. You'll need to decide what percentage of a match is close enough for your needs. There are reference page at this URL. But it works pretty well for comparing text in column A against column B.
I have a long formula that you can use. It's not as well honed as those above and only works for surname rather than a full name. But you might find it useful. So if you have a header row and want to compare 2 with B2, place this in any other cell on that row, example C2, and copy down to the end. Exact if it's an exact match. Hyphen if it's a pair of double-barreled names but one has a hyphen and the other a space. Whole string if all of one surname is part of the other. Example, if a Smith has become a French Smith. After that it will give you a degree from 0 degrees to 6 degrees depending on the number of points of comparison between the two. i.e., 6 degrees compares better. As I say, a bit rough and ready, but hopefully gets you in roughly the right ballpark.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.